What do you think is the key in passing the DPT?
Syempre at first, medyo struggle siya kasi syempre, especially in Arcadia po kasi we had Zoom classes twice a week and it's US time. So,
Yes.
kailangan talaga ng matinding scheduling. Asynchronous naman po pagka sa Arcadia.
Yes.
So, we had the liberty to do the schoolwork in the most convenient time for us. Siguro one of the secrets din is having, a very supportive group of
Yes.
classmates. As I've said, yung mga naging classmates ko po sa Arcadia were also my classmates during the NPTE review. They were also with me during NPTE sa Guam and kami rin po yung naging magkakasama sa Arcadia. So, it really helped na very, very good yung support system. Not just with my classmates but also with the Grandison team helping us. Parang kami na bahala sa pag-study, sila na bahala sa everything else.
Yes.